This is Tourmaline Surf Park, San Diego, California. It's a great place to meet people. We're going to show you everything you need to know about Tourmaline. This is Surf Drone SD and its Waves of the Week. Construction started in 1963. First thing done was a road was built for dogs to play fetch, after apparently a very important poodle was swept out to sea. And then they built a parking lot with restrooms and showers. The grand opening was in 1965. Surfers from all over the world came to test themselves at Tourmaline Surf Park. Celebrities from Hollywood would fly in just to test the new park. And new innovations such as fins for the bottom of the boards, so surfers didn't have to steer with their hands anymore. This is Tourmaline in 2026. At the north end is PB Point. It's another great place to meet people. Tourmaline is pretty much a spot known for longboarding these days. It has a long wave that you can ride forever. You can also use the paddleboard here. A lot of people call it old man's, but if you can still do this when you're old, it's cool. Thanks for watching. If you want to know about any other San Diego surf spots, just leave it in the comments.